You, when it comes to things that she thinks she knows,
Yeah.
he can be.
Foot in mouth.
I make sure कि ये माहौल खाने से पहले बन जाए.
The award for being the most entertaining.
You, I mean, close second to bhai, or like it can just go here and there.
Yeah.
But definitely
It's a
one of
lethal
either
combination.
bhai or you. Yeah, and it's amazing. I don't know. I never knew that about Bebo, that she is so funny, and we've had evenings where I make sure कि ये माहौल खाने से पहले बन जाए, because फिर खाना बाहर आ सकता है.
Yeah, we've always had those mad laughing fit evenings, which is amazing. The award for always being late.
Bhai.
Yeah.
The visual of him running with that bag on the London airport saying, run, I'm going to miss my flight, I'm going to miss my flight.
God, I don't know why he does this. The award for the worst WhatsApp messages.
Me.
Why?
I can't
If
give
you
this
want to
award.
say somebody else, you have to say it. You can't now, Nol. Why are you taking the blame?
No, actually, we don't get so many WhatsApp messages.
Means?
I mean, there are some forwards which are in those cousins groups and like
हाँ,
family
वैसे
groups.
type का.
But nobody's actually sent like annoying WhatsApp messages.
Okay, fine. The award for being the biggest faku.
Biggest faku. Soha.
Soha?
Faku number one when it comes to things that she thinks she knows. Like if you ask her book stuff, oh, of course she knows it. Like sometimes she wants to, like she can't be in a conversation and not contribute.
हाँ.
Right? तो कभी कभी उसके पास 5 पैसे की information होगी ना, तो उसको 150 करके बेचेगी. That's the time when I look at her saying, अच्छा, और फिर उसमें क्या होता है? And then she look at me and she be like, ऐसा ही था ना? So yeah, so she can go on a feku spree.
Yeah, okay. On that sense, yeah, I agree with you. The award for being the most mufat.
Bhai,
Yeah.
he can be.
Foot
na?
in mouth.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah,
even
Mufat
mufat.
is the right word actually. Bhai, he has
Huh?
to
He'll
be.
just say it, right?
Yeah, and then he'll be like, oh, I screwed up.
The award for being the most polite.
Can I take that? I think I've been very polite, but no, but Soha again,
Soha.
because she is always polite and always. I
correct.
don't know how she does. She's always correct and she's always in the right.
Yeah.
और मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है ये वाली technique मुझे सीखनी पड़ेगी.
So as you know, like not many people in this family is just like we've just like given all the awards between Soha, Kunal, me and Seth.
Yeah, because we spend so much time with each other. We don't spend so much time with each other.
Yeah.